Hydrogen peroxide medical uses. 1. Disinfecting wounds. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to clean and disinfect wounds, cuts, and scrapes to prevent infection. 2. Oral health. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used as a mouthwash to kill bacteria and prevent plaque buildup, gingivitis, and bad breath. 3. Ear wax removal. Diluted hydrogen peroxide can be used to soften and remove earwax buildup in the ear canal. 4. Acne treatment. Hydrogen peroxide can be applied topically to acne-prone skin to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. 5. Sinus infections. Some people use hydrogen peroxide as a nasal spray to help clear sinus infections and reduce congestion. 6. Teeth whitening. Hydrogen peroxide is a common ingredient in toothpaste and teeth whitening products as it can help remove stains and brighten the teeth. 7. Athlete's foot. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to treat fungal infections like athlete's foot by soaking the affected area in a diluted solution. 8. Disinfecting surfaces. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to disinfect surfaces such as countertops, cutting boards, and bathroom fixtures to kill bacteria and viruses.